Ubertile, technology for tiling. The Ubertile waterproof wall panels are part of the Ubertile shower system. Uberboard panels can be used for shower and tub surrounds which will be tiled. To seal protrusions, use the Ubertile control valve and pipe seal, sold separately. Note the correct orientation of the control valve seal. To install the control valve seal, spread thin set using a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. With the thin set still fresh, insert the control valve seal in the correct orientation. Use a flat trowel to flatten and engage the thin set to the bonding flange. To install the pipe seal, spread thin set to the area using a 1/4 inch by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel. With the thin set still fresh, insert the pipe seal. Use a flat trowel to flatten and engage the thin set to the bonding flange.